turns out, size does matter. At least it does in the world of Eichlers. And this one has some really thoughtful additions that are seamlessly integrated, and you would never even guess that they weren't original to the design. What sets this Eichler apart is not just its size, but everything that comes with it. Owned by the same family that lovingly maintained and updated it for over 6 decades, this property offers beautiful tile floors, brand new carpeting, an updated kitchen, refreshed bathrooms, new lighting, and ample closet space. Natural light pours through a lush central atrium, while thoughtful upgrades like a foam roof, an updated radiant boiler, and updated electrical panel offer peace of mind. And this might be the most flexible space in the house. Today, it's a guest suite, but tomorrow it could be a family room, a game room, a home office, a workout gym, or a place to hide from your kids. Best of all, the beautifully landscaped backyard backs directly to open space, creating a private and peaceful setting that's hard to find. For 65 years, this home has been filled with laughter, love, great memories, and now it's time for the next chapter in its life. I'm Renee Adelman with Eichler for Sale, and if you'd like to see what makes this home so special in person, please call 415 Eichler.